Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video we're going to talk about how to measure time taken by a function to execute in JavaScript. So for that I have to create the two variables and a function. Alright, start time, end time. Okay, so in the start time variable and the end time variable we will be using performance.now, and we will do the same thing in the end time. And now I'm gonna simply create a function here. So this is the name of the function, and right at the moment it does not have anything to do. Okay, so now I'm gonna simply call my function here, and then we will simply console log. I'm gonna use the template literals here. Now we will simply minus the end time with the start time. Alright, so let's just now run this code, and you can see here. Alright, so I have done a mistake here. I have to do this together. Okay, now it will work fine. Okay, so I just run this and we have our millisecond. Okay, so the time taken by this mirror my execution is 1 millisecond. So let's just try to do something in my function, and then we will mirror the execution time of the function. I will simply use the loop here. Alright, so now we have just written our loop inside the function, and so now we will check the execution time of our function. Okay, so we have the error here. Alright, so now you can see here the execution time taken by our function is 4 millisecond, and if I just try to do it again, it will give me the different time for each different execution. And this is how you can measure the execution time of your function in the JavaScript. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.